How to Learn French with YouTube, 7 powerful ways including some you've never heard of. Welcome to the most recursive video I've ever done on this channel, a French learning YouTube video about learning French on YouTube. I mean, you're already hanging out on YouTube and so am I, so how about we optimize this time for French learning? YouTube is one of my favorite French learning tools because it's free, it's available everywhere, and it will deliver you a constant stream of new French content that you can use to learn French. So in this video, I'm sharing 7 different ways that you can learn French thanks to YouTube, all available to use this very minute. You just need to know about them. So if that sounds interesting, keep watching. My name is Angèle Preto, and on this channel, we speak about what it really takes to learn French. Make sure to subscribe because I make new videos every single Monday and you don't want to miss them. The first way to learn French with YouTube is Immersion. This is a non-negotiable part of your French study. You need to keep as much French around as possible, and you can do it through what I like to call the daily French bath. It basically consists in listening to some French content and letting your subconscious mind do its assimilation magic, and you can see this other video about it which explains it in details. The great things about YouTube, it has unlimited French content and you will find some that you love. You don't need to understand anything or everything, just watch some content every day and see how much better you get at French just through doing that. French content that you love about topics that you like every day. This is the daily French bath. The second thing that you might not know about YouTube is that you can actually slow things down. If you find that a French YouTuber is speaking a little bit too fast for you, you can slow it down thanks to the little setting wheel in the bottom right corner. It must be about like here. As a matter of fact, you can also speed it up. I'm just saying, in case you want a challenge. Number 3 is actual French lessons. As it turns out, there are plenty of great channels that explain the French language, such as Français avec Pierre, Easy French, Learn French with Alexa, and so on. You can find some that you like and just follow them. This should not replace your daily French bath with actual French content, but it can be a welcome addition, especially if you're still a beginner or lower intermediate. Number 4 is to watch the videos on this channel and apply the advice that I give. Because hey, the list wouldn't be complete if I wouldn't include myself, right? So this is different from the previous tip because on this channel, we don't speak so much about the French language itself because there are plenty of other channels who do that and who do that very well. Instead, we focus here on the strategy and mindset of French learning. For example, in this video, I am sharing 7 specific strategies to learn French using YouTube. Every video on this channel explores a different aspect of French learning with a similar approach. The goal here is to make your French learning journey smoother, faster, and more efficient, and it works really well in combination with any other lesson that you're already taking or any other content that you enjoy. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can receive my upcoming videos too. And by the way, if you appreciate this approach and you would like to get more personalized advice and guidance from me, please know that you can sign up for one-on-one coaching with me or join my group program known as the French Fluency Accelerator. We use YouTube to learn French a lot in that program too, so you can check the links in the description below to find out more. Number 5, a big one, is to learn about French culture. So the great thing about YouTube is that you get direct access to content that is made by French speakers for French speakers, whether they are from France or from Canada or any other French-speaking country. And this gives you unique first-hand insights into their culture. And some YouTubers have even put a strong emphasis on this, such as Sebastian Marks and Paul Taylor, which are 2 English-speaking expats, respectively from the US and from Britain, and they both live in France. They love to point out the quirks of the French culture and French language, and they're absolutely hilarious, so I strongly recommend them. Number 6, we're getting into the more esoteric tips here, is to follow your favorite YouTubers off YouTube. So here's the thing. Many French YouTubers also have blogs, podcasts, and or social media accounts such as Instagram or a Facebook page or whatnot. And many of them also send regular emails in French to their email subscribers. So think of all the possibilities. You can practice reading with emails and blogs, also on your phone when you're on the go. You can practice listening with the podcast, and you can also download them and put them in your car. You could also follow your favorite French YouTubers on social media to get a little bit of French input here and there. And here's how you do that. So first, you find a French YouTuber that you like. Second things, you check the description below their videos. It typically features links to any other content that they offer outside of YouTube. And by the way, mine does too, so you can follow me on several social media and also get regular emails from me by following the links in the description. You can do that with me, you can do that with many French YouTubers too. And then you click on those links and you can start following, reading and listening to them on other platforms. So that's how you do it. And here is an advanced strategy that I have personally used to improve my English. So some French people that you can find on YouTube, such as, for example, personal growth coach David Laroche or Stan Leloup from the channel Marketing Mania, they have built entire businesses based on their expertise, all in French, right? What you can see on YouTube is actually just the tip of the iceberg. They can offer websites, podcasts, email courses, and full training courses. If you enroll in one of these training courses, so obviously you'll have to pay for this, but if you enroll in one of these courses, you'll typically get an entire ecosystem with video, text, and often a community of students, everything entirely in French. So if your French is already quite good, enrolling in a French training program about a topic that you're interested in is a great way to perfect your French while also growing other skills and making friends who have a similar interest to you but are French speakers. So, you know, way to kill 3 birds with 1 stone. If your French isn't very good yet, well, there's always my program to make it better. So we also have a community of amazing students, and they're all English speakers who are learning French. They are super dedicated and so supportive of each other. And like I said, the link is also in the description below. And number 7 is to make the algorithm work for you. I'm speaking about the YouTube algorithm, because the YouTube algorithm works in mysterious ways, but it works. When you start watching French speaking videos and you click like and subscribe on those you enjoy, at some point the YouTube algorithm will kick in and suggest similar channels to you which are also French. So it might take a while for it to catch up, but once it does, it's an easy way to discover new channels that you will like. I discovered so many channels this way in all languages that I practice on YouTube. So not just in French, French, English, Spanish, all of them basically. I need to put a word of caution here. YouTube believes that French from France and French from Canada are 2 different languages. So if you live in Canada or you want to learn Canadian French, make sure that you already follow Canadian YouTubers from the get-go, else the algorithm may never realize that you'd want to see them. Before I recap, if you've learned something from this video, please click the like button and leave a comment below letting me know which strategy you will use next. I look forward to reading your comments, and this really helps other French learners find the channel. So let me recap all 7 strategies. The first one is Immersion, also known as the daily French bath. It just consists in listening to French content and letting your subconscious mind do its magic. Number 2 is adjust the speed. You can slow down the videos to make it easier to understand, or you can speed them up to challenge yourself. Number 3 is to follow YouTubers who post actual French lessons and learn French from them. Number 4 is to follow this channel and apply the strategies that I share because they maximize everything else that you're doing. Number 5 is to learn about French culture with specific channels or any channel which is from France in general. Number 6 is to follow your favorite YouTubers off YouTube and enjoy them on other platforms as well. And number 7 is to make the algorithm work for you, watching French content that you like and letting the algorithm offer to you similar content. So that's it for today. As I said, if you would like to receive more personalized help from me, you can study with me one-on-one or join my group program, the French Fluency Accelerator. You will find the links in the description below. Else you can watch this other video, and I will be back next Monday with a brand new one. See you next Monday.